In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate PayPal with Gohighlevel. To get started, log into your Gohighlevel account and make sure you're inside the correct sub-account or location where you want to enable payments. This is important because payment integrations are usually set up at the location level, so you'll want to confirm you're working in the right place before moving forward. Once you're in Gohighlevel, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for the platform. From there, click on Payments. This section is where Gohighlevel lets you manage the tools and providers used to collect money from customers, including invoices, checkout options, and connected payment gateways. After the Payments area opens, go to the top right corner and click on Integrations. This will take you to the page where you can connect payment providers to your account. If you're planning to offer PayPal as a payment option for your customers, this is the exact section you need. On the integrations page, find PayPal. Once you see it, click Connect. Gohighlevel will then ask you to choose the environment you want to use. At this point, you'll select either PayPal Live mode or PayPal Test mode. If you're ready to accept real customer payments, choose PayPal Live mode. If you're just testing the setup and want to make sure everything works before going live, choose PayPal Test mode instead. A good tip here is to use Test mode first if you're setting this up for the first time, especially if you want to verify your workflow without processing real transactions. After choosing the mode you want, click Connect again. This will redirect you to PayPal so you can authorize the connection. On the PayPal page, you'll see a prompt to connect a PayPal account so you can start accepting payments through the integration. At that stage, enter your PayPal email address in the appropriate field. Then simply follow the on-screen prompts provided by PayPal to continue the connection process. Depending on your account status, PayPal may ask you to log in, verify your account, review permissions, or approve access for the integration. Once you complete those prompts, the connection should be finalized and your PayPal account will be linked to Gohighlevel. From there, you'll be able to use PayPal as part of your payment setup inside the platform. And that's it. That's how to integrate PayPal with Gohighlevel. If you're using this for client payments, subscriptions, or invoices, make sure to double check whether you connected in test mode or live mode so your payment flow matches your intended setup.